So this was a question on curl of a vector, and this is the vector given, and four vectors were given actually, and they have asked which one of the following has non-zero curl. So let us start from the first one. So if I take this as a vector, say suppose this is capital A is a vector, so I need del cross A, so that will be given by I cap, j cap, k cap, del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and this is xy, 2yz, and 3xz. Okay, so let us check this. So I cap, this is 0, and minus this derivative of z will result into 2y. Okay, so now you don't need to solve it further, because now this term is non-zero, so that means curl will come out to be non-zero. So option 1 was correct in this. Okay, because it is MCQ type, so you have to stop here and save your time. Okay, thank you.